If you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in buying meat online. The two biggest players in the market right now are probably Omaha Steaks and ButcherBox. I got one of each. They were both pretty much the same price, about within $10 of each other. This one was $159, ButcherBox was $169. Let's open them up and see what you get for the same price. Let's go ahead and start with the ButcherBox and see what you get. Now these boxes came a few days apart, so I already opened them up. So I had to pack them and repack them, but they'll still be pretty. Alright, so I ordered some things which is the main package, and I ordered some things that were additional to the main package they were offering. So let me go ahead and sort them out and we'll get through it. Alright, so first of all, ButcherBox is a subscription. You have to sign up for at least 1 month, and they'll send you one every 4 weeks or 8 weeks, and you get to decide from different packages. I get the pick six package, so I get to pick out 6 different types of steaks. Additionally, when I signed up, they had a promotion that when you sign up, you get free ribeyes for a year. So I get 6 different beef steak selections, plus 2 free ribeye steaks. So let me show you what I got. First thing I got was this grass-fed flat iron steaks. You got 2 of those. Next thing we got was grass-fed ranch steaks. You get 2 of those. I'm not really familiar with those cuts. I figured I'd try them out and maybe I might find something delicious. Next thing I got was my favorite cut, the filet mignon, or the beef tenderloin. These are 6-ounce cuts. This is what I wanted to match up against Omaha Steaks, so we're going to cook these up at the end of the video and see if we like the fillets from ButcherBox or the fillets from Omaha Steaks better. But while I'm here, something additional that I ordered from ButcherBox was this monster bone-in cowboy steak. This was not part of the 159. The 159 was 7 different cuts of steak. My next cut of steak was these. It's 4 grass-fed top sirloins. These all come nice and frozen. I like how well the quality is on ButcherBox because they seal the packages pretty well, so they don't get a lot of frostbite in them. Next thing we got was my grass-fed ribeyes. Okay, so these are the ribeyes that came with my package. These weren't in part of one of the $169 price point. They were with my free offer, which I signed up for a few months ago, and every time my box comes, I get them. I do have an affiliate link in the description of the video that will get you, as of the recording of this video, $50 off your first order. I also get free meat with that, so I do appreciate it. If you are going to sign up for ButcherBox, use that link. It'll be great. Additionally, they usually have some sort of other promotion going where you'll get free meat like bacon or chicken. I think right now it's free chicken for life if you order from ButcherBox. Next one, I got this beef steaks. This is a grass-fed strip loin. It is 18 ounces. I think 2 people can probably share that. I'm not sure how I'm going to cook it yet. Probably maybe sear it in the pan and then throw it in the oven to make sure it cooks all the way through. Alright, so for $169 from ButcherBox, you get 6 cuts plus whatever bonus promotion they got. Now, our next box is from Omaha Steaks. I've ordered from Omaha Steaks before. It's not a subscription service. It's more of a one-time deal. You order once. I'd say Omaha Steaks is more of a order a whole meal kind of thing. Also, there are a few things in this box that I did not get with my 159 package. I ordered the 159 package because it's the one that they advertised me the most that contains fillets, so I can prepare the ButcherBox fillets against the Omaha Steaks fillets. So there'll be a few things in this box that weren't included in the package, but I'll go ahead and tell you about those. Let's get this one open. Omaha Steaks always comes with coupons, how to cook your food. Alright, let's get in here. All right, so the promotion that Omaha Steaks was running is that if I ordered, I got free ground beef tenderloin burgers. I've had these in a box before, which I ordered, and they're absolutely delicious. So I did order them again because this was what they were offering at the time, and I did enjoy them. So these are why I decided to buy when I bought. They're always offering different promotions. Right now, Omaha Steaks did start selling on Amazon. So I'll leave a link to the Amazon ordering for Omaha Steaks in the description, as well as the ButcherBox one. I don't have a promo code for ButcherBox, but they're usually running some good or for Omaha Steaks, but they're usually running some pretty good specials. Next thing is, okay, so like I said, Omaha Steaks is more than just buying meat; it's a whole meal. Let's see what we got. Don't use a knife like this. This is very bad etiquette with a knife. Alright, so these are your potatoes, loaded baked potatoes. So you just pop those in the oven and they cook up. It's not meat, but it's food. Next thing we got, those are our fillets. We'll save those for last. Next thing I got was this cheesecake. This was not included in my $169. Cheesecake sampler from Omaha Steaks. We'll cook these up in a different video. I'm going to do one on their desserts. So if you want to see those, check out the rest of the channel. We got a whole bunch of cooking up meat boxes on there. Alright, so this is something that was included in the $169. This is the Omaha Steaks standard dessert that they offer with most of their meals, or with most of their boxes. It's these caramel apple tartettes. So besides the steak and the potatoes, also comes with the dessert. Put those in the oven, they cook up. They're not bad, they're kind of like apple pie. Alright, so the rest of the items in our box. So with the fillets, which I haven't opened up yet, they're going to throw you some extra other meats. This $159 package came with 8 hot dogs, all Angus beef. Easy to get into. Pork loin chops boneless. Those are boneless pork chops. And this is, I believe, a chocolate cake. Chocolate lover's cake. So this is for a different video, but I'll show you what that looks like. We'll do a recap. And there's your chocolate cake. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I'm not going to cook up the desserts in this video, but if you want to see that, subscribe to the channel. We'll be cooking those up soon. So, the thing that I was most interested in was the fillets. So these are my ButcherBox fillets, which came in my package for $169. And these are my, soldier down. These are my Omaha steak fillets. These are 5-ounce cuts. But you do get 4 of them. So when I'm ordering one of these boxes, my biggest thing is I'm looking for steak. I can make my own side dishes. I can make my own desserts. I want the steaks. So when it comes down to just pure volume of grass-fed, grass-finished, high-quality beef, I'd go with ButcherBox. But again, we're going to give both companies a fair chance, so we're going to go ahead and cook up some of these fillets and let you know how they come out.